For this video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Steam. So the process is really simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to open any browser that you have in your device, or just open the Steam app in your device. So if you're using a web Steam or Steam as a web, all you need to do is to log in into your account. Also in the app, just log in your account using your own credentials. So then once you are in here, just simply locate your username on the top part of your screen and go into the account details. So that should be the second option that you have there. Now what you need to do right here is to locate language preferences on the left hand side of your screen. Now on this one, you actually have two languages. So you can set up a primary language and as well as a secondary language. So for the primary language, just hit this downward arrow right here and select what language you want to use as your primary language, and this one or the secondary language. So show me the content in these languages, such as the store page descriptions and user review if not available in my primary language. So that should be your second language. So now you can just simply select again your secondary language again, and once you scroll down, you'll have more options for your additional game content languages. So these languages are not supported for Steam UI. Store page descriptions are user content, but may be supported by content in individual games. So that's basically it. After selecting all of your languages right here, just remember to hit the save button for the changes to be applied in your account. So that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.